Guys, good afternoon. US dollar high straight for 4 days after President Venezuela President Maruto captured by US. Now 59 US dollars for from January 5, 7, 6, January 5, 6, 7, and 8. Maybe tomorrow also showing 59. See, here. I have my data for 4 days high US. So, kailangan mag-ipon guys. US dollar. US dollar is 59, so $100 is equal to 5,900 pesos. US dollar. Kailangan mag-ipon guys. Ipon tayo $100 a month. Medyo mahirap eh. Pwede 1,000 pesos lang.